Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Although we have a large inventory of turn designs, you may want to create your own unique piece that is not in our collection. You can either submit a custom request or create your own design using our wooden turning blanks. These square posts range in height from 18 to 40.5 inches and feature 2 inches to 5 inches in width. The array of sizes allow you to create virtually any design, whether you're transforming a coffee table or building a kitchen island. Please keep in mind that these blanks are not sanded and may contain planing marks. We also offer dimensional stock pieces, which can be used to create a custom table, apron, or base kit for tables, benches, counters, and more. The 4x1 inch stock piece comes in 48 and 96 inch lengths and are available in a variety of wood species. There are endless possibilities with these components, and we can't wait to see what you create using our turning blanks and dimensional stock. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays. You can browse our full product inventory on our website at www.osbornewood.com. If you would like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.